In this video, I'm going over 10 easy side hustles that work especially well for stay-at-home moms and other busy people who don't have large blocks of uninterrupted time. These are not overnight success stories, and there are no income guarantees. How much you earn depends on things like demand, consistency, and how much time you can realistically give, and that's okay. What makes these ideas different is that they're flexible. Most can be done from home, during nap time, school hours, or evenings. They're built around real services people already pay for and not trends or hype. If you're trying to contribute financially without sacrificing your family or burning yourself out, this list is meant to give you practical, realistic options. I'm Erin from Side Hustle Mastery. Let's get into it. Number 1, content creation for small businesses. Many small businesses need simple content for Instagram, TikTok, or email, but they don't need a full agency or viral videos. They just want consistent, clean content that represents their brand. This might mean short videos, photos, captions, or repurposing content they already have. What businesses care about most is reliability and not perfection. So this works well for stay-at-home moms because content can be created in batches. You can film or design once, schedule everything, and move on with your day instead of constantly jumping back into work mode. So Canva makes this much easier because it removes the "where do I even start" problem. It gives you ready-made templates for social posts, emails, and short videos, automatically resizes content for different platforms, and handles basic editing in one place. So instead of juggling multiple apps or spending time learning design software, you can open one tool, follow a template, and get the work done quickly. That time savings matters when your schedule is broken up and unpredictable. So if you want to use Canva to simplify content creation and reduce decision fatigue, the link is down below. Number 2, virtual assistant part-time. Virtual assistants help with inbox management, scheduling, organizing files, or handling basic admin tasks. This is popular with stay-at-home moms because it's remote, flexible, and often built around task-based work instead of those strict hours. You don't need to know everything up front. Most VAs learn by following instructions, observing how tasks repeat, and improving systems over time. Notion is especially helpful here because it acts like a central brain for your work. So instead of keeping instructions in emails, tasks in your notes app, and deadlines in your head, Notion lets you store everything in one organized workspace. You can create simple tasks, save client instructions, track recurring responsibilities, and write notes as you learn. For someone with limited mental bandwidth, having one place to check instead of 5 reduces stress and mistakes. If staying organized helps you work more efficiently and confidently, you can use Notion. The link is down below. Number 3, printables and digital downloads. Printables like planners, chore charts, meal planners, or kids' activity sheets are popular because they solve everyday problems people already have. Parents want routines, teachers want structure, busy households want things that make life feel a little bit more manageable. That's why these products continue to sell, not because they're flashy, but because they're useful. This is not instant income, and it's not passive at the beginning. Most people who do well with printables spend time testing ideas, getting feedback, and improving their designs over time. You might release a planner, see what people respond to, adjust the layout, simplify sections, or create variations. Results do vary, and consistency matters far more than pumping out dozens of designs at once. Canva makes this realistic for beginners because it removes the technical friction. You don't need to understand sizing rules, bleed margins, or professional design software. You can start with existing templates, customize texts and colors, and export files that are already formatted correctly for digital use or printing. So that means your time goes into thinking about what people actually need and not wrestling with tools. For busy parents or anyone with limited time that matters, Canva lowers the learning curve so you can focus on ideas, test them quickly, and improve as you go instead of getting stuck trying to learn complicated design programs. If you want to explore creating digital products without learning complex software, Canva can help. The link is below. Number 4, social media scheduling help. Many small business owners don't need deep strategy, growth hacks, or constant experimentation. They just want their social media to stay active so their business looks consistent and professional. And that's where social media scheduling help comes in. This role is less about creativity and more about reliability. You're making sure posts go out on time, captions are added, and content doesn't sit forgotten in a drafts folder. Because of that, the work is predictable and fits well into short daily or weekly time blocks, which makes it especially manageable for people balancing family responsibilities. So ClickUp helps here by giving you a clear system instead of relying on memory or those scattered notes. So you can create a simple content calendar that shows what's posting, when. You can also add due dates and track which posts are waiting for approval. Keep everything tied to one dashboard. That way you're not constantly checking messages, scrolling through emails, or wondering if you missed something. For busy people, this kind of structure reduces that mental load. You can open one workspace, see exactly what needs attention, handle it efficiently, and move on with your day. That's what makes this type of work sustainable, not working more hours, but reducing friction. So if organizing helps you protect your time and lower your stress, ClickUp is linked down below. Number 5, UGC or user-generated content for brands. UGC creators make short videos or photos that brands use in ads, product pages, or social media. You do not need a large following because brands are paying for usable content, not influence or reach. Now, this works especially well for stay-at-home moms because the content can be filmed at home and built around real routines. Many creators focus on family products, household items, or everyday tools that already fit into their day instead of creating something staged or time-consuming. Canva helps with the production side by making light edits, adding captions, or resizing videos for different platforms. And you can also export content in the formats brands expect without needing advanced editing software that keeps the creative side efficient and manageable. What really helps long-term, though, is staying organized, and Notion is useful for planning content days, tracking which brands you're working with, outlining your video ideas, and keeping notes on deadlines or revisions. Instead of juggling notes, messages, and to-do lists across apps, everything lives in one place, and that's especially helpful when you're balancing content work with family responsibilities and limited time blocks. If you want tools to both create UGC efficiently and plan your days and content clearly, the links for Canva and Notion are below. Number 6, blogging or newsletter writing. Writing blogs or newsletters is often deadline-based rather than hourly, which gives you flexibility to work around nap times, school hours, or evenings. Many writers focus on topics they already understand: parenting, wellness, education, home life, or personal routines, which reduces the learning curve. So you're not starting from scratch, you're organizing thoughts you already have. Beehive helps by removing the technical side of newsletters. It handles publishing, subscriber management, formatting, and delivery all in one dashboard. So instead of worrying about setup, integrations, or designs, they help you focus on writing and sending consistently. So that simplicity matters when time is limited and interruptions are constant. If you want a straightforward way to manage newsletters without technical overwhelm, you can explore tools like Beehive using the link below. Number 7, Etsy digital products. Etsy sellers often start with digital products like planners, wall art, templates, or checklists because they don't require inventory or shipping. This takes experimentation. Listings usually improve over time based on feedback, keywords, and what people are actually searching for. Results vary, and consistency matters more than launching a large catalog. Canva is commonly used here because it speeds up that creation process. You can start with templates, customize designs quickly, and test ideas without spending money on design software or outsourcing. So that lowers risks and makes it easier to adjust products as you learn what sells. If you want to use Canva to create and refine Etsy products efficiently, the link is down below. Number 8, email and inbox management for creators. Creators and small businesses often get overwhelmed by email long before they run out of ideas. Brand inquiries, customer questions, scheduling emails, and follow-ups can pile up quickly, and when everything lives in one inbox, important messages are easy to miss. This type of work is learnable fairly quickly and doesn't require marketing expertise. The core skills are organization, consistency, and clear communication. That's why it works well for people who prefer structured, behind-the-scenes tasks and predictable workflows. ActiveCampaign helps bring order to inbox management by giving you a central place to organize your contacts and conversations. You can tag incoming inquiries, sort people into simple categories, and track where each conversation stands. For example, new inquiry, waiting on a response, or follow-up needed. It also allows you to set up basic, respectful automations for things like confirmation emails, follow-ups, or internal reminders. This does not replace human communication. It simply ensures that routine messages are sent on time and nothing gets forgotten, which reduces mental load for both you and the creator you're supporting. For someone managing email on behalf of a creator, this makes your role more reliable and professional. You're not promising growth or sales. You're helping keep communication organized, timely, and manageable as volume increases. If you want to explore email tools that help bring structure to inbox management, the link is down below. Number 9, simple website setup for small businesses. Many small businesses don't need custom development or complex features. What they usually want is a clean and functional website that explains what to do and how to look credible online. This type of work typically includes a basic homepage, service descriptions, contact forms, and simple branding. It's a skill you learn through repetition rather than coding. Once you understand the basic structure of a small business website, most projects follow a similar pattern, which makes the learning curve manageable over time. Wix makes this realistic for people with limited time because it removes most technical barriers. It uses pre-built templates, drag and drop sections, and built-in tools like contact forms and mobile optimization, so you don't need to worry about hosting setup, plugins, or troubleshooting code. Everything is handled within the platform. That simplicity matters if you're balancing those family responsibilities because it allows you to focus on assembling pages and communicating early with clients. Instead of getting stuck on those technical details, you can complete projects in shorter work sessions and still deliver something professional and functional. If you want to use Wix to build simple websites efficiently, the link is down below. Number 10, YouTube or short form content support. Not every creator wants to be on camera, but many still need help behind the scenes. This kind of support can include uploading videos, writing titles and descriptions, organizing thumbnails, or reviewing basic performance data so content decisions aren't made blindly. This works well for stay-at-home moms because the work is structured and task-based. You can log in, complete specific steps, and log out without needing to be available all day or film content yourself. Most creators just want that consistency and clarity, not someone promising rapid growth. TubeBuddy helps with this by giving additional inside YouTube Studio. It offers keyword research tools, tag suggestions, thumbnail previews, and A/B testing features for titles and thumbnails. These tools don't guarantee results, but they help creators understand what's performing better so they can make more informed decisions instead of guessing. For someone supporting creators, this makes your role clearer and more valuable. You're not claiming to grow a channel, you're helping organize, optimize, and test content using real data. If you want to use TubeBuddy to support creators with research and organization, the link is below. None of these side hustles are instant and none are guaranteed, but they are flexible, learnable, and realistic for people balancing family, work, and limited time. You don't need to do all 10. Pick one that fits your life right now. Give yourself time to learn it and improve gradually. If tools help you stay organized or reduce mental load, the ones I mentioned are all linked down below. I'm Erin from Side Hustle Mastery. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.